Hi, I'm Bernadette Swartz and I'm the owner of Be Original. Be Original is a company that produces African clothing, accessories and curios, and we are based in the Eastern Cape in Jeffreys Bay. Well, Be Original was started when a friend of mine phoned me up and said, listen, I had a dream about you last night and you had a very successful clothing business. At that stage, I wasn't doing any sewing. I didn't have any sewing background. I didn't even have a machine. Well, I started Be Original with my mom's borrowed sewing machine, and today we are even employing ladies from our community that are producing all the products for us.
From Lady Grey. My company name is LH Diamond Clothing, and it started 2007 and ithunga impahla and idibanisa ngenxaba sivela ndivela kwi-disadvantage background ekasi. So benza ndibanisa nje impahla ezikhoyo uba nxa ndifike ebahlaleni nami bengumuntu. That's where ndaqala khona udesign. Ndafika ke ngoku xa sendikumele ukuba ndiphume esikolweni ndayenza fashion, clothing construction esi-JC, ndayezokwenza ne-fashion designing eSouth Africa. So ndenza impahla from scratch, suits, streetwear, traditional.
Olweni nonke nithetha noSibusiso Ngxokweni, oyi-visual artist. Uhlala eNgogweni eMount Elief. uSibusiso Ngxokweni ufunde i-fine art e-University of Fort Hare. Specialize nge-painting nange-drawing. USibusiso inspired by indlela abantu baphila ngayo emhlabeni, indlela akhule ngayo, environment, nange-stories zabantu.
My name is Yolanda Msutwana, originally from Fort in Mpebe, and my company name is Ozzy's Eco Deco. Ozzy's gives a second chance in life to waste material and create lighting as well as decorative and functional furniture and home accessories. Most of our products are made from old tires and we use wood as well. So Ozzy had a very interesting beginning.
I'm Sabelo Boy. I was born and raised in a small township called Dice, Eristin, in the outskirts of East London in the Eastern Cape. I'm a visual artist, founder and director of Bex and Boy Creatives. It's a company that do ceramics functionals, but as a visual artist, I don't box myself to that. I do contemporary art. So one of the successful exhibition I did was inspired by Abahlali Basemchondolo, which the artworks are ceramic shack dwellings, which then I addressed the challenges and issues being faced by South African people living in the shack dwellings over the past 27 years of democracy.